My name is Edna Olmsted, and I was president in 1981. And I was the second woman that was elected president of the association. I enjoyed my time, and I've enjoyed the get-together since, and to see old friends and see how the association has grown.
Hi, I'm Sharon Mancias. I was the president of the Alameda Association in 1993. And what I remember about that year as president was being involved in the community. I was able to have a group of realtors to get together and raise funds for the Special Olympians. We had an event at the Harbor Bay Club, and the Special Olympians did swimming meets, they did tennis tournaments, and they also ran along the water by the shore. So we also had sponsorship with the Oakland Athletics. We were able to bring the baseball players in, and they were able to do some tennis with them, which was a lot of fun. So these kids, Special Olympians, had a wonderful day, and the realtors were all involved. We played with them as well, and we raised $70,000 to go towards the Special Olympics. And so that was one of the most memorable things that I had during my year as president. Being involved in the community, that's where it starts from.
Mike Riley, I served and was honored to serve as president in 1997 of the Southern Alameda County Association of Realtors, which became the Bay East Association of Realtors. The highlight of my year was when we hired Tricia Thomas as the full-time executive. We hired her in 1996 as the interim, and in 1997 we confirmed that she would be our full-time executive officer. And Tricia has done a terrific job over the years in developing not only the staff, but developing the leadership here at Bay East on a local level, also at the state level and the national level. And Bay East is now considered the gold standard of associations.
Hi, I'm Mike Godfrey. I was the 2004 Bay East president. One of the highlights of my year as the president of the association is political advocacy, community involvement into political issues in the areas that Bay East has influence over. In 2022, I'm still doing it. So as the incoming chair of the Political Activities Committee and the LGR Committee, I'm continuing to do what we started out to do many, many, many years ago.
Good afternoon, everyone. Tina Hand. I was your 2020 and 2021 president of the Bay East Association of Realtors. What can I say about 2020? That was the year of COVID. That was the year the lockdowns and the mandates started. And it was just amazing how everyone worked so well together, how we were able to adapt and collaborate and still be a successful association and have 2 successful years. The highlight for 2020 for me was, my theme was communications and connections, and who would have thought? Come March 16th, we went into lockdown, but yet we still survived, we still thrived. And what I'm most proud about for the COVID years was the fact that the staff and the board of directors made calls to 6,000 plus members that we had at the time. Took us about 2 or 3 months to do it, but we reached out to every member, just checking in on them. We wanted to make sure they were okay, that they were safe, they were healthy, and if there was anything that they needed, we were here to help them. And amazing to be part of such an incredible association and the care that they really do have for our members. That is something I will always remember and I will always treasure. Thank you.